Are you interested in this video? Great! You already know the topic of this video. Interest, both simple and compound. Hello!
We are $5
sisters! I am little sister.
I'm a big sister.
So, big sister, what is interest? I surely am interested in learning about interest.
Oh, right. Then let's Google it.
Simple interest. Simple interest is a rate of interest calculated only on the principal amount or on that portion of the principal amount that remains. It excludes the effect of compounding. Simple interest can be applied over a time period other than a year, for example, every month or week, even every day. Compound interest. Compound interest is the addition of interest to the principal amount of a loan or deposit, or in other words, interest on interest. It is the result of reinvesting interest rather than paying it out, so that interest in the next period is then earned on the principal sum plus previously accumulated interest. Compound interest is standard in finance and economics. Wait. So there's two types of interest?
Yeah, there's a 1 with a simple interest. 2 is a compound interest. Obviously, simple interest is a little bit more simpler than compound interest.
Oh, wow. So how does simple interest work?
Well, simple interest is just simple. Before we actually start anything, I need to talk about principal. Principal is original loan amount. So let's say you borrow $100, then principal for that loan will be $100. And interest for $100, let's say if it was a 10% was interest, then it will be $10. So simple, right? So 10% for $100 interest will be $10, and every month you need to pay that $10. Basically, that's a simple interest. So other than simple interest, compound interest still works way differently than simple interest. And we search and found some answers. We studied quite a bit about compound interest, and I think you learned quite a good. Now you understand the concept about compound interest. Why don't you explain it to the viewers so that way they understand?
Oh, okay. Well, to start off, we have the same $100 principal. And like the simple interest, we first start off with 1 month passing, and we get the 10%, which is $10. And here's the difference. So instead of increasingly getting 10% of $100, the principal, we actually instead get 10% of whatever existing money you have. So now that we have $110, it's 10% of $110, not of $100. And so we have $11 interest. And another month passes, and now we have $121. And it's 10% of $121. And now it's just going up and up and up. Your interest just increases, and you gain money a lot faster than you would if you had simple interest.
Yeah, some says that it's a snowballing, or some says it's interest on top of interest, right? Because it's growing like tremendous.
Well, just to help the viewers over here, to help understand better, maybe we should do a visual demonstration to help.
I think that's a great idea.
Alright, well, we should go do that right now.
Let's go.
So first we're starting with simple interest. This snowball right here represents the principal, or $100. A month passes, and with 10%, we gain $10, and another $10, and another $10, and another $10. And this continues for a year. So right here, this represents 1 year past. And we have now $220 from our $100. This is more than double. But we can clearly earn a lot more money if we use compound interest. Alright, so moving on. This snowball right here is again our principal, $100. And again, it's $10. But then it's $110, 10%. So $11, $12, $13, $14, and so on. And it grows and it grows until you have gained a lot more money than you could have gotten in 1 year from simple interest. In a year with compound interest and the same 10%, we have gained $347 from our $100. And that's about a $110 difference from our simple interest. Around $100. And if it keeps going to around 2 years, you'll gain a lot more. And now this amount of interest is about the same size as the principal as it was in the beginning. And about 2 years, we have $1,161. That is a ton. You could possibly gain this amount of money with simple interest, but it would take you a lot longer to do, and it's just a lot more time consuming. This is why compound interest is so much better. Hello, my name is Pinky.
Hello, my name is Whitey.
We are the Bunnies.
Pinky, I still don't get it. What is compound interest?
Alright, so let's say one fruity pebble right here is one chicken, and this chicken lays 2 eggs every day. And these 3 chickens each lay 2 eggs. And so it's just growing and growing. And soon you have a lot more chickens than just one. As you can see here, we have at least 20.
I still don't understand what the compound interest is. You gotta show me better than this.
Okay, well, I hope this helps you. In a year's time, this is how many chickens you have. Whitey, watch out!
I am ready. Ah, that is a lot of egg. I get it now. Oh my God, that's a lot of fruity pebbles.
There's so many. We learned a lot more about interest than we ever would on our own.
Yeah, compound interest is amazing. That is the reason why we need to start investing early so that way we can maximize compound interest, the power of the compound interest.
Power!
Remember,
$5 a month makes a difference.
Stop giving me this egg! That's too much egg for me! Ah! Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye!